Hello, my name is Rosemary Rose and I'm the Chief Executive of Beyond Housing. Beyond Housing is a social and affordable housing provider that is based in Yorkshire and Teesside. It has 15,000 homes across that geographic area and around 30,000 customers and 800 employees. I love walking into the building every day and seeing the digital signage that is there. It helps me immediately know what's happening in the business. I see new material every single time I enter the building, and I think that's really important for colleagues who visit the building on an ad hoc basis.
Hi, my name is Victoria Taylor and I work at Beyond Housing and I lead on the marketing and communications, customer insight and the digital transformation of the business. So some of the benefits that we have seen are efficiencies in time resource that we use now. It's reduced dramatically from the automated playlists and the additional feature of unpublishing, which we don't need to go into manually now. We've added screens to our business continuity plan, so by which we can take all of the current playlists on and put our messaging on if there is a risk or a high alert message that needs doing. And we have built a really big extensive playlist which is really helpful. It means we can now share a lot more content and messaging with the business.
When we refurbed the building at Ennis Square in Redcar, we wanted a really quick and effective way to communicate with customers and colleagues. The project team that was involved in that refurbishment started to look at the options available to us. And the project team, I think, did a brilliant job of choosing digital signage because it really has met the outcomes that we wanted to achieve.
So predominantly Beyond Housing uses Power BI to extract the data. We have it stored in many different systems, so we take a combination of that data, we transform it and model it into analytical reports and of course the dashboards, and they provide us with individual data storytelling, so we're able to gain that insight to support our culture of data-driven decision making across the business. So it's a really powerful tool that we're using really just to get the best from our data.
The goal for us in terms of using digital signage was to make sure that we could keep our colleagues and customers who enter our buildings and facilities up to date. In addition, when customers are coming through our reception areas and sitting there and waiting for services, they're seeing also what's going on in the business. They're seeing what they're saying about the business, how well we're doing, and ultimately what the business is about. It's really important that it's real time, it's real life, and people can see the business changing over a period of time and see the things they're doing and what they're doing to make it a success. Digital signage brings that to life beautifully. We are looking to understand how digital signage can now be implemented in the other locations so that it can bring the same great service and information and communication to those other locations.
Also, the ability to have playlists that go external for our customers and internal means we can really maximise on delivering the key messages to the audiences that need to see them. So now that we've embedded Signagelive into our first office, we're looking to expand it into our other offices, and we'll also be looking at how we can introduce more of our Power BI dashboards outside of the normal KPI reporting to see how we can really maximise the efficiency of the business. Yeah, so to summarise, Signagelive have been brilliant. They worked with us from start to finish on this project, always accessible, supportive and really great with the installation, and it's been an absolute pleasure and would really recommend you get Signagelive too.
Digital signage allows us to sort of also be the custodians of what we put across in that signage, and we can change it at a moment's notice, which is absolutely brilliant.